From Abu Dhabi. I am on my way to Hudayriat. It's a new island here in Abu Dhabi and it's close to Marina, but it's on the other side. So there's no bus yet, so the only way to go there is if you have a car or a taxi. Medyo matatagalan ako today kasi New Year's Eve mamaya. Busy ata ang taxi or baka hindi sila mag-drive. So let's wait and see. Follow me. Charot. Hi to Hudayriat, please. Hudayriat Island. Yeah. So that's the beach. It's still under development. The other side is still empty. Coming here, you can see an empty land. And now, let's just explore and see what do they have as of the moment. Para enjoy naman natin. Let's explore the other side of Abu Dhabi. They have a lot of kiosks, you know, food trucks. Mainly food trucks. I'm not sure if they're probably quite pricey because it's far from the mainland. But if you could bring your own food and drinks and just enjoy this place. It is the month of December, pero mainit pa din. Mainit pa rin siya, but it's not too bad. You could still enjoy the sun. At this time, it's around 12 or 1. Is it 12? I think it's around 12 noon. It's fine. You could, you know, it's bearable, pero kung Asian, baka hindi bearable. Let me show you more the beach. So, i-google nyo na lang kung may entrance fee, pero I'll try to ask someone. If you're from here, you would know that it looks like Kite Beach. It's quite similar, but not really. Actually, the design and then the other side looks like La Mer over there. You know, the banderitas. It looks like La Mer and Kite Beach in one location. So, ano pa bang gagawin ko today? Lakad-lakad muna under the sun, papataning. Alam mo na, bet ni Afam yung maitim. By the way, I forgot to tell you that this is my first time to vlog using my phone. I have a new phone. It's Samsung Ultra 20 or 20 Ultra. And huwag niyo na akong tanungin why I stick with Samsung. I have been a Samsung user ever since. iPhone is great. iPhone is really nice. But it's just happened na matagal silang nag-release. Nakaka-awkward. Ang daming nagkatingin. Char. It's so awkward when you're vlogging and people are looking at you. Buti nga phone lang yung gamit ko, hindi yung DG gamit. Kasi I'm using GX7 Canon and now this is the first time. So let me know if the quality is bad, if the audio is whack, but I believe the audio is great. Hopefully my hand is not blocking the audio. I'm left-handed, so I'm using my left hand to vlog. Malapit na ako dun sa my skate park at saka mga outdoor activities. Meron sila they have ropes, they have skate park, they have ano pa ba? Yun lang. Meron din silang bike lane if you want to come here and cycle, you could do that too. Meron pala silang mini mart dito. So that's a mini mart, supermarket. Hindi naman hypermarket. Lakad na lang tayo. More restaurants are opening. So soon, sana magka-McDonald's sila or KFC, diba? Yun naman talagang favorite. That's people's choice. And this is another coffee shop. Eh, same pala. So while I was walking around, so far, I did not see any familiar restaurant. These are independent, not franchise. restaurants here in Al Hudayrat. So, very lamer talaga. Pati yung CR nila, colorful din. Very lamer. I think it's pronounced as lamer. Yeah. I'm assuming. Another playground, but for now they closed it. I think it's because of COVID. And there you can see Al Hudayrat. It's a big sign. I've seen 2 seafood restaurants. Kasi naman, nandito tayo sa harap ng beach, diba? Pwede din makdo. Wow, this is a nice concept for, Instagram. And of course, La Mer, kind of, I think that's a changing room. Ayan, malapit na ako sa skate park, which is letter E. E for echo. Ipon. Ignorant. Ignorant, diba? Saya-saya ko. Kung may kasama ko nagbablog, mas masaya pa. Nakita ko sa yung beach. Sayang wala akong swimsuit. Sana pinakamaganda dito. Sayang. So, and next time na lang guys, I'll show you my, assets next time. Yan. Ay. Other side din naman tayo. For those people who have kids or who loves to skate, you could do skateboarding, scooter, at marami pang iba. You could come here and enjoy the park. So I'm here na at the skate park. I'm not going to skate today because I'm not wearing the correct shoes, unfortunately. So we'll go somewhere else. To go right there. I think it's so cool, so let's go there. But before we get there, let me show you my left side. I was talking to the staff, the people who work here, and they told me that this is an open beach. If you want to rent a sunbed and parasol, you can. I don't know how much, but it could be like around 75 or so. 75 to 100 dirhams. And look at that cute boat! Like a dragon boat. Or it looks like a swan, not a dragon. So let's go to the pier. The pier. It says here, there is no lifeguard on duty. Enter at your own risk. I mean, nothing really. It's just there. Oh, by the way, that is, there's a splash park here where the kids could swim. As of the moment, it is end. On the other side of the island is close to the dome. It's the Adventures Park. It's where the BMX park is there, the ropes is there. So I'm not gonna check it out because it's really far, like around 20 minutes. Or maybe I'm exaggerating, it's only 15 minutes. Friend, oh my god, the water is so clear and it has mangroves. There's a lot of mangroves. Oh my god, look how the clean water. Okay, let me just switch the camera. Look! Look! Wow. Beautiful. And look at the empty lots. So in a few months, could be a year, there will be a lot of adventure parks. There'll be a lot of restaurants opening very soon. So pretty. I think I'm gonna stay one more day here. Is it me? Or look how beautiful the water is. Oh my god, it's shining, shimmering, splendid. So I would really recommend for you to come and explore Hudayriat Island. I don't know why I'm blurry, but I am blurry. So come and explore. You're gonna enjoy this, and bring your sunscreen, your camera, and your tripod. Before I let you go, I'd like to show you the beautiful sunset here at Hudayriat Island. Look at that. Yay! I have a tip for you guys. If you're planning to propose on your girlfriend, or you wanted to surprise somebody and you're looking for a place to do that, in Hudayriat they could do that for you. All you need is just to bring whatever that gift is and come here. Ta-da! Look at that. See? Maybe you could pay the management if they could, you know, like stop the people from entering and just rent the entire, what do you call this one? Bridge? Bridge, pier? I think so. Look at that beautiful sunset. If you're gonna propose here or you're gonna surprise somebody, it's very nice. Around this time, it's 6 o'clock, December 31st, 2020. Just to show you more of Hudayriat in the nighttime. So this is it. 6 o'clock. Very peaceful, not crowded. A beautiful skyline. Look at that. If you're gonna propose here, this is the perfect spot. 6 o'clock. Winter time. Look at that. And they have the lights. See? You could have like a drone shot, really nice professional photography. Thank you again for joining me today and for watching this video. Till next time, and welcome to 2021. Thank you guys. God bless you all, and see you soon.